Welcome to Alias Teacher TV. Today it's how to define touch sensors in VRED 2021. First, some examples. So here you can see how we switch between different materials, in this case colors, red, green and yellow. Or we open doors, which is also touch sensitive, and close them. And another one is just moving forward an armrest or backward. And now we see in detail how we can do that. So first of all, we have to identify one surface to be touch sensitive. That's this surface number 1. I named it in advance. Then I go to interaction touch sensors and add a new touch sensor. Create a new one, and this should be called like the surface. So this is surface number 1, of course. So that's the name for the first touch sensor I prepared. Second one should be surface number 2. That's what I have in mind to get the armrest backward again. So I have 2, one forward, one backward. And then when I named it, I'm finished with this one. In advance, I prepared some animations. So what we can do now is we take these clips. And here we are. We have a clip which has a movement forward and a clip which has a movement backward. But we can't drag and drop it directly. So what we'd have to do is we need something in between. And that's, we go to scene and variant set. So we need a variant set. And we go there and create an additional variant set, which I call armrest forward. And I drag and drop the clip to this. The clip forward, of course. And this variant set now, this can be dragged and dropped on this touch sensor, which is called surface number 1. So now, when I try if it works, I can touch this surface and it goes forward. So the animation is played to move the armrest forward. So this was the first step. The second one, of course, is just make it a second one and do it for backward. So armrest backward is the name of the variant set, of course. Then I drag and drop the clip once again. So be sure to have the folder on animation. And then drag and drop this variant set on top of surface number 2's touch sensor. And now, when you go with the cursor on top of the surface number 2, the finger appears and you can click and it moves backward. And so now I can go back and forth and back and forth. Pretty easy, isn't it? More tips on VRED VR will come up soon. Thanks for watching Alias Teacher TV.